Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. As always, I greatly appreciate that. So today I wanted to go over how to overcome the fear of heights. And that was one of the questions someone left me. So if you got a question and you want me to answer it, leave a comment below so I can get to it, make a video about it. Slightly running out of ideas. And I'll probably work on another Corvette video next week. And there was another question I'll probably get to tomorrow, which was talking about, do I work by myself? Do I work with apprentices? How all that works. So I'll try to go over that. So now a couple people are looking into that. So this video is sort of talking about like aerial lifts, maybe tall ladders or boom lifts or anything like that, working on the side of a building on scaffolding. So the number one, I have 6 things here, but the number one thing to overcome the fear of heights is just over time, you'll gradually get used to it. Granted that you're not like deathly afraid or have a paranoia or anything like that. So time will definitely help you out. You'll get more used to it. Just like anything you do in life, you'll get better at, like riding a bike or whatnot over time. And then for me, I remember the first time I was on a lift, it was pretty scary. I wouldn't say terrifying, but maybe slightly terrifying, but definitely now I'm really comfortable with working on lifts and stuff like that. So the next one would be don't lean over the edges. Like when you're first starting out, you don't want to like lean over the edges because that like is pretty nerve-wracking, I guess, or makes you anxious. So definitely don't lean over the edges or do anything dangerous like standing on the guardrails or anything like that, especially if you're not tied off. Another one is don't drive over electrical cords or baloney cords while you're super high in the air. I mean, going straight over them is sometimes okay, but if you're starting out, you might not want to do that. Definitely lower the lift and then go over the cord when the lift is on the ground. So especially if you're going over a cord sideways, that's something I'm still not very comfortable with. If you're up in the air and you're driving and you have the wheels turned and you're trying to turn sideways, going over electrical cords isn't the worst, but baloney cords is definitely something you probably don't want to do while you're that high, because you have a risk of tipping over. At least it feels like it's going to tip over. This is more like aerial lift stuff with the small little rubber tires. And then don't drive fast sideways. So basically like the same thing I was just saying, don't have the wheels turned at an angle and then be on the highest speed setting. If you stop suddenly or hit something, you could maybe get flung out or just feel like the thing is going to tip over, so that's not fun. And then don't take unnecessary risk, so like leaning over the edges, standing on the guardrails. The one thing that comes to mind is leaning over the edge while you're trying to grab something. Just move the lift over a couple feet and then be under it, so you're not having to put yourself in unnecessary danger or risk. And then the last one is basically what I just said, drive to a better spot, make it safer, so you're not reaching over the edge or anything like that. So hopefully this video helped you out a little bit. Yeah, so that's all I got. Hopefully the video helped you out. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It would greatly help me out. About 6 subscribers away from 2,000, and I will be doing a giveaway when I do hit 2,000, so that will be in the next, I don't know, 1 to 3 days. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, check out the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams and stuff like that or upload videos. Thanks guys, God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.